We're back with Tim Watson, our local attorney, who's here to give us more useful information about the law and how it might help you. And today, I understand, Tim, you're going to talk about medical malpractice. So welcome back.
Yeah, thanks. Great to be here.
What do we need to know?
Medical malpractice. So medical malpractice is just a fancy kind of negligence. And negligence basically is somebody failed to do something that they were supposed to do and it hurt you. Unintentional. If they intentionally hurt you, it's an entirely different thing. So medical malpractice, because attorneys like to break things down in their elements, there's 4 elements to negligence. And as applied to medical malpractice, there is a duty. A medical provider has a duty to provide a certain standard of care to its patients. There is a breach of that duty. Medical provider failed to meet that standard of care. Causation is what's the third is called causation. Causation just means the breach of that standard of care actually caused the injury and not something else. And then the fourth is damages. And damages in the law just means the monetary award. Damages is what you are asking for because of all of this. So medical malpractice is negligence where a medical provider failed to do something they were supposed to do and it hurt you.
Okay. I feel like we've talked about this before, but from a car wreck standpoint, how does medical malpractice different?
So it's the same thing that it's negligence, medical malpractice, the kinds of injuries that happen in car accidents, other kinds of injury all fall under that general category of personal injury. But medical malpractice is a little bit different in a few different ways. First of all, the expert. You have to have an expert. And in lots of cases, you have to have an expert. You have to have an expert give an opinion that most people don't know. They've got some special training or they've got a lot of extra skill or experience that provides a basis for them to give an opinion that the common person doesn't know. The difference in medical malpractice is that an attorney actually can't file a lawsuit unless they have a doctor tell them that this medical provider breached the standard of care and that breach was the cause. That's different than other ones. Have to have that expert up front. There's also a shorter time to file. In a car wreck case, for instance, if you're going to file a lawsuit, you've got 3 years. Med mal is 2, which can be pretty quick, can run by pretty quick. And then there's the costs. You have a doctor that you have to have with you through the whole case, guiding you on what this medical provider did wrong, and you have to pay that doctor. And it's a doctor, so it can be kind of expensive. But attorneys that practice in this field cover those costs.
Interesting. So you're saying you cover the cost?
Yeah, I cover those costs. So these cases, especially against doctors, because you have to have a doctor that you pay, would be prohibitively expensive. Nobody would be able to file them. And so attorneys that practice in this field work on a contingency fee. I get a fee if my client wins. And so I cover all the costs of the case for depositions, for experts, for everything that has to be paid for. And then when we win, I can recover that in return for whatever my client gets. And that's the goal. I mean, these cases, people are badly hurt. Sometimes, God forbid, they're killed. And the idea is the family of those people are entitled to an award. And luckily in Arkansas, we have a system where juries get to hear these stories and then decide what that family is entitled to or what that person is entitled to. And that's not the case everywhere. Some states, they have arbitrary caps on the amount that you can recover. But in Arkansas, we believe that you can't put a cap on the value of human life. And I agree with that, and I think it's important. I think we have a good system here.
For sure. Well, we always appreciate you joining us, and you can see the details right there on your screen. If you want to reach out to Tim, if you're considering one of these medical malpractice lawsuits, if you think you've been wronged in that respect, Tim's your attorney. Reach out.
Your expert.
I'm your guy.
Thanks,
Give me a call. Happy to talk anytime.
Absolutely.
All right, well,